Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to turn off app lock in WhatsApp account. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are following new to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to head over to your WhatsApp. So I'm going to open up my WhatsApp right here. Then you have to make sure you use your app lock to access the WhatsApp. Having accessed the WhatsApp, next thing you need to do is to simply click on these three dots from the top. I'm going to click on that. Then next thing you need to do is to go to settings, go to privacy, and you have to scroll down right here and make sure you look for app lock. Next thing you need to do is to simply turn off this button. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to turn off app lock or biometric fingerprint lock on WhatsApp. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.